Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Accessibility features. Then click on One-handed mode and click on this gray sweater next to it to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. As you can see, I'm using Tricky's navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. So when I do that, to the left, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on this blank area, and to change placement of it, swipe the other direction. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same now blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!